morning, good morning. Yes, it's time to play and learn that whitewater kung fu. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, buddy. All right. Play. Oh, you're missing something. Where's your propulsion device? Oh, there it is. It's that kind of relationship.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Captain, I'm on star. This is above the international round. We're cruising at a high altitude, obviously. We're about to come down and drop a little rhyme. Captain, I'm on star. Omega Marvelous. Merc 108 Dizzy. Dropping this. Yeah, my chick straight walking the aisles. And dudes smile. I'll make a chicken smile or two if I have to. Rolling up along. This here song is the beginning of the beyond that we are headed to, dreaded to. I dreaded you with my flight path.
Well, boy, let's take flight. You're headed for the friendly sky. Take you out of sight. We got the mad funk rocking through the clouds. Gonna take you way on up. You ain't coming down. Relax, let us cover the sky when you're rolling with us.
Yes, the powerful Kareem loves the power of the Kung Fu chop. Yes, and your next master Sam will bring you the Kung Fu whitewater punch.
Like for real, I'm like slow-mo.
Oh yes, and this lovely whitewater mistress loves the power of the crane kick.
Pony dropping facts and all the whack.
Your next master loves the power of the elbow drop.
Anti-matter pieces, I don't.
Ginger Ninja loves the power of the ridge hand chop.
Blow up like wow.
Yes, friends, and I am Moose, and I will be your personal paddling paparazzi out here on the Lower New River today, braving all of this whitewater alone just to document your day. Oh, one of the only places in the world where you can get a whitewater movie of your adventure. Yum! Now let's get on downstream to our first piece of whitewater action and learn some whitewater kung fu from them masters in the back of your boat. Whitewater paddle on, and now we find ourselves at your first challenge. This, my friends, is a surprise rabbit in your first test of skill, daring, oh yes, and compatibility with your master in the back of the boat. You guys are gonna make your way on down this green tide through here and into that big splashy punch in the face. That's your first good morning kiss from the New River right there. Be careful, because you could find yourselves upside down downstream or swimming on your little whitewater backs or your whitewater boat. But be okay, because this is a great place to train. It's soft and fluffy downstream. Now let's see how you fire it up, little whitewater paddle wall.
Heavy, my soul is weak, but when we get together, we never sleep. Just a little bit of voodoo in the evening, a little bit of voodoo in the night, a little bit of voodoo make it easy, a little bit of voodoo make it right. Like long time friends, it feels familiar. But still I'm haunted by my past. My heart is heavy, my soul is weak. 'Cause when we get together, we never sleep. Now you can call me crazy, you can call me insane. Just a little bit of voodoo in
Some swing
the night.
out there today. forget the surprise, friends, but that's all right, little Padawan, because it's just here for you to learn. And there's a little Skittle out there getting a little combat in, and friends, and now it's time to get on downstream to our next big adventure at the Ender Waves. And we'll be there with a little whitewater ninja magic and a snap. Listen, little whitewater Padawan, now we find ourselves at your next big adventure. This is the Ender Waves, and a great place to test your skill and daring, trying to avoid that Pig Farmer Falls right there, the big old hydraulic that creates a big reactionary wave out in the middle of the river that is just beautiful to blast that big piece of rubber through, friends. And be sure you don't find yourselves upside down here, because if you do, you better swim back to your little boat or you're going to swim down that piece of cake. Toes up. These Ender Waves, friends, and now it is time downstream to our next big challenge. We'll know we're there because we'll be at a great big rock. Yeah, and there's that whale of a rock, and you're making your way into the middle Keenies, trying to stay in your little whitewater boat. You'll have to hard right into one of these last chance exits and stay away from that meat grinder, because it'll grind your meat, home of the carnage beasts. Oh, and you don't want nothing to do with them beasties. Oh, yes, moose. Love raptors.
Can't get enough full-length vision. Okay. Here we go.
Well, I was kind of a wondering whether you could help me with the problem that will kind of make a screaming. It's a problem that having a drum and a bass and yo go. I said when you wanna go, go quick and jump in the bumper to my groove like my pogo. Stick up, flicker to a flavor. Beat you rocking harder than a brick to a layer. Ease up, by the brow, put your knees up. But can you be flipping and kicking like a Bruce Lee? Beat your guys, beat you to teach you shallow, beat you gonna eat you like a cream puff. Cause I can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, no. Can't get enough, can't get enough, no. Can't get enough, can't get enough, no. Can't get enough, can't get enough.
Oh, and a touchdown, tips and victory, as is tradition. After making it through that mean middle, Keeney, oh my goodness, good job avoiding the grinder and them beasties and staying away from them nasty sibs over there. And now all you got to do is negotiate this wave train down the left side here and avoid the beasties. Icy grip once more at the lollygag. Let's see how you do it. Oh, moves him so hungry.
Save me, don't say wrong. From down the road where love was overthrown. On we burned our bridges to the snow. So cold, left to right, we fired our furnace down below. I said, baby don't lie, 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 baby don't lie. Save me, but what you trying to save from? I wanna be fine, baby, on the mountain. Don't you try to pull me down. I wanna be fine, baby.
Oh, wash up rock. Yeah.
I wanna be fine, baby, on the mountain. Don't you try to pull me down. I wanna be fine, baby, on the mountain.
Oh, you're running a very unconventional line over there, my friend.
Save me, don't say you.
Let's see how our little warriors are doing down here at the lollygag.
Overturned. On and on we mind our hearts to evermore. So cold and too deep, dug our dungeon to the floor. I said,
Tubes suck. Oh, and some of you were lollygagging and you almost felt the grip of the beastie, but you didn't. Oh, still very hungry moose. Very hungry, but no beastie. You're not getting even a taste at this one. Now let's get on downstream to your next challenge, little whitewater warriors. It is time now to get to something very white and very frothy. We find ourselves in something very frothy. The reactionary waves and the double Z rapids. You might even have to use your monkey style here, little warriors, to hang on to that tube. Butcher's block on River Left over there and make your way through a series of Z moves and just drive straight at me for this ledge hit.
did I see you come back to me when I had no direction? Did I see you not turn and run? Did I see you come back to me when I held no possessions? Or did I see you give love? I had none. Hesitate, no hesitate, no love. Hesitate, no hesitate, no more. Hesitate, no hesitate, no love. Shine your light right through my door. Hesitate, no hesitate, no love. Hesitate, no hesitate, no more.
Oh, and smooth as a gravy sandwich with a little hit on top. I love it. Yeah, Joe Bathy crew, looking strong. that table centered on downstream. Yeah, strong work here, little warriors. Oh my goodness, that double Z thing. And now it is time for us to get on downstream to our last big one. And it will begin way up high. Oh, looks like I told a little whitewater lie. It's time for some bonus footage at the Cloud Chamber. Fired up for a bonsai.
On the rising tide, roller coaster ride. As it descends, you chose not to ride again. So you run, watch it holding on, hang on to one. Life is going on all around you. Watch it holding on to. Used to love to dance, love to take a chance, but something turned inside, and the dreams that got left behind.
Get them hands on them paddles, bitches.
Watch it holding on to one. Life is going on.
Oh, and the Ginger Ninja redeems himself here at the Miller's Folly. That's for all in that bonsai. Strong work. Now it's time to get downstream to our true last rapid. And we will be there when we're way, way up high. Yes, and there it is, little whitewater warriors, almost heaven, West Virginia, the Rusty Rainbow New River Gorge Bridge, spanning over 800 feet above the New River Gorge and over 3,000 feet across it. And marking our last big class 4 of the day, this is Fan Station Rapid. Now you've been good little minions. Yes, little Padawan up to this point, and if you continue to be little minions, your guide will not turn into this guy, an evil minion. So paddle!
Woke up this morning, dreams still in my mind. Standing at bus stop, middle of the line. 100 people casting sideways glances in time. Yeah, the light was shining, each and every hit. High bird was flying, vulture of the words unsaid. And as I joined them, these words came quietly to me. Yeah, give up your love. Worst tastes like a harmony. Give up your love. Dreams taste like a symphony. Give up your love. Worst tastes like a harmony. Give up your love. We ride on further.
Anyone that knows what raft racing is and Fan Station Rapid gonna get a great shot. Look at those guns. Oh, she loves to sculpt her guns at the office. I don't know if you were counting, but she did over 1,000. Yeah, perfect.
Worst tastes like a harmony.
Friend, she did great. And purple is great. I hope you enjoyed it. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious, little whitewater warriors, what a time out here on this Lower No River adventure, learning that whitewater kung fu from them masters in the back of the boat. Make sure you thank them. They're right behind you there at the video, hanging out. Make sure you thank them for all that cruel whitewater tutelage, friends. And remember what your old buddy Moose tells you. Come on back and get some more, because we got plenty. Now before we go, I want to show y'all my very favorite move in all of whitewater ninjadom. Now don't y'all go home practicing this on your kids and your dogs, cause ninjaing ain't no joke, and don't go ninjaing nobody what don't need ninja. Now here it comes, the biggest hit of the day. Ninja headbutt.